This is Mrs. Dawson. Simplify 2x squared plus x minus 6 divided by 5x plus 10. Under what conditions is this expression undefined? Let's begin by checking to see if there are any common factors in the numerator and denominator. 2x squared plus x minus 6 does not have a greatest common factor. However, the denominator does have a greatest common factor of 5. So, if we divide out the 5, we have the denominator of 5 times the quantity of x plus 2. I often like to begin by factoring the denominator because it can sometimes give us a clue what binomial to try in the numerator. So because we had a binomial factor in the denominator of x plus 2, I'm going to try x plus 2 as one of the binomial factors. So we're asking ourselves, 2x squared is what times x? That would be 2x. And negative 6 is what number times 2? That would be negative 3. And then we want to check it. 2x times x is 2x squared, though the first term is fine. The outside we have 2x times 2, which is a positive 4x. Inside, negative 3x, and those two combined together do give us a positive x for the middle term of this trinomial. Negative 3 times positive 2 is negative 6. So the factored form of the original expression is shown here in the red and green. The next thing we want to do is look for common binomial factors. X plus 2 divided by x plus 2 is 1, and we're left with the expression 2x minus 3 divided by 5. However, we were asked under what conditions is this expression undefined. Going back to the original, we can see that we had a denominator of 5x plus 10. The denominator of an expression can never be equal to 0. So 5x cannot be equal to negative 10, and x cannot be equal to negative 2. So under the condition that x is not negative 2, the expression is defined. Notice that in the final answer, we didn't have to worry about the denominator. However, because it came from the original expression, we do want to make a note that x cannot be equal to negative 2.